Hello, this tutorial is going to go through how to complete an assignment in Google Docs and then submit the URL to your teacher. Okay, so right now what I have open is the open class screen. Alright, so how this is laid out is you have your unit, and you can see there's several units, and under the unit it goes topic by topic as the way we will go through the activities and assignments in class. So one of the first topics in this unit is food regulations and standards, okay? Now, the first assignment, it says complete activity as a Google Doc and then submit the URL, all right? So let's look at this assignment. So I open it up, and it's vocabulary, all right? So I want to start working on this. I'm not able to type into this document. And the reason why is every Google Doc that has been provided to you or shared with you from your teacher, you don't have editing rights. So to receive editing rights, you need to make your own copy of this. And it tells you that right in the directions here. So to do that, you're going to go to File. You're going to go to Make a Copy. Press OK. Okay. And now you can see your cursor. It's blinking back and forth. That means you're going to be able to edit this document and complete the document. However, you're going to be submitting this to me, and I want to make sure that you've renamed the document, so I'm grading and assessing you accurately. So before you move on, you're going to rename the document. So you're going to go to File again, go to Rename, and you're going to title this document your last name. So my last name is Sweeney. The title of the assignment, Safety and Sanitation Vocab, and your class period. So period 9, or whatever class period you may be in. You're going to press OK. And now I have renamed the document. Alright. Now, again, before you move any further, you need to make sure that when you do give me the URL, I'm going to actually be able to access it. Now, maybe in the past, you could go to Share. When I highlight over this, you can see that it's private. It will only be private to you unless you specify that you want it shared with people. So you're going to press Share. Okay. Now, right now, this is the Nicole Sweeney document. I'm the only one that has access to this copy of the document. Okay. So I want to change that. All right. And your options are you can make it public on the web, anyone with a link, and so on down the line. I want to make it public on the web, so then when you submit to me the URL, I'll be able to view it. All right. Now another thing you could do, but I'm not requiring this from you, is you would be able to write my name in there, and you would be able to share it with me that way. I don't want you to share it with me, because then I will get an email notifying me. I only want the URL. So you're going to submit the URL to my digital Dropbox, which I'll show you how to do in a second. So just double check. It says public on the web. So then make sure it says that, because then I'll be able to access your document and assess you accurately. Okay? If I cannot access your document, I'm going to assume that you didn't complete it, or you didn't follow my directions. So please make sure that you are making it public on the web. Alright? So now you're ready to go. You've renamed your document, you've made it public on the web, you have editing rights, you're ready to complete the assignment. So go through, complete it. Now, let's say you're done. Okay? You're going to copy and paste the URL to my Unit 1 Dropbox. So I'm going to copy. Okay? Then I'm going to go back to my open class, and it says submit here. It says submit here, but I've also put the Dropbox at the front of each unit. So to do that, here's my assignment Dropbox for Unit 1. There's a different assignment Dropbox for each unit. Okay? So this is an assignment. This is assignment 1 in Unit 1. So you're going to put your first name, your last name, whatever class period you're in. So we'll be in period 9. The title of the assignment, Safety and Sanitation Vocabulary. And then copy. You've already copied the URL, now you have to paste it. Ooh, Okay, everything looks good to go, and then submit, and then you'll see, yes, your response has been recorded. What's going to happen to your response is it records what the information you've provided to me in a Google spreadsheet. Okay, so then when I'm ready to grade the assignment, I'll be able to access the spreadsheet, and it will timestamp it, and then I'll have access to your URL for your completed document. If you have any questions,